Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Kalshi app is not working. So first things first, what you can do is you can try to force stop the app, okay? So this is what you do. You can highlight this app, click on app info right here, or you can go to the settings and look for the app that way, and basically come here and click on force stop. Let me show you how to do this from the settings. Go to your settings on your phone. Okay, then go to the app section. Let's look for the app section right here. It should be somewhere here. Let's find that right now. App management. Click on app list. And then you want to scroll down until you see Kalshi right here. Click on Kalshi and force stop this, okay? And another thing, guys, you can do is, of course, you can update Kalshi to the latest version on the App Store. And if that doesn't work as well, what you can do is you can try to clear the Kalshi app and data, okay, the cache. So click on storage and cache, come here and click on clear cache, clear storage, and then you're deleting all the app's data. So that should usually work. Or you can, of course, what you can do is try to switch your internet connection from your mobile data to your Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi to mobile data. Just choose a network connection that is more stable, and one of these steps, guys, should fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to the channel. Subscribe to frequently asked questions, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.